Tell me a little bit more about the concept of what you guys do. Who's a good franchisee candidate that you guys look for? And what's a typical day-to-day as a franchise owner? What are you really getting yourself into? What's the total investment here? What type of support do you provide to your potential candidate? Why is this a good segment to invest in? All right, so you want to introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, hi, I'm Manny Guzman, VP of Operations at Waterloo Turf.
Tell me a little bit more about the concept of what you guys do.
So here at Waterloo Turf, we help folks get their Saturdays back. We live in a time where most folks don't want to spend too much time taking care of their yard, and so all of our turf is low maintenance, looks great, and we just want to make people feel comfortable at home.
So it's not real grass, it's turf that you're putting in.
It's turf, yes.
And how did the concept kind of started?
Our co-founder and Lance Ingram, this is his second run at starting an artificial turf company. He jumped into corporate America, realized that wasn't where it was at, and he enjoyed so much helping install turf into folks' yards, because the feeling you get once you see someone step out in their backyard for the first time and see what we delivered is truly amazing.
Who's a good franchisee candidate that you guys look for?
So when we think about our franchise partners, we're finding a lot of success with folks that have a sales background. So if you think about someone from medical sales or insurance sales, they've done very well for us. So we think that's going to be the common theme here moving forward.
And what's a typical day-to-day as a franchise owner? What are you really getting yourself into?
So typical day-to-day is you're starting your day at a job site to kick it off, and then you're going to go to other estimates to give quotes out to other residential homeowners, and then you're going to wrap your day up going back to that first job site to make sure the job's buttoned up and the homeowner is satisfied with the project.
What's the total investment here?
So our total investment, our item 7 is going to show 106 to 150 to start for one territory.
What type of support do you provide to your potential candidate?
Yeah, I'm going to be a little biased here because I'm the VP of Operations, but I think we provide a lot of support. So not only to get your business set up with our preferred vendors from ad agencies to consumer reviews, but also making sure that we're connecting with the right local vendors for suppliers to make sure you're getting the best discounts on turf so we can stay very competitive with pricing.
Why is this a good segment to invest in?
Well, number one, we think the artificial turf market continues to grow as more and more people do not want to take care of their yard, and it's growing in popularity across the country. And there's no other brand franchising, especially at our rate, so now's the time to get in.
I love that. That's well said too. Congratulations on all your support.
Appreciate it.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.